Welcome to this video on loading high-performance tape. Open the printer, then open the ribbon carriage by pressing the catch shown by the yellow arrow. Move the media guide and the upper sensor all the way to the right. Now move the lower sensor until its left edge lines up with the edge of the black block, shown here. Then slide the upper sensor until its white arrow meets the white marking on the lower sensor. This is what it should look like. Lift the upper sensor arm. Then, with the box carrying the blank Endurance high-performance tape sitting behind the printer, feed the blank tape through to the front of the printer. Once you've done that, you need to make sure that the tape is lined up with the edge of the black arrow, shown here. With the tape aligned to the arrow, gently lower the upper sensor arm. Then slide the media guide across so that it secures the tape in place. Before printing, ensure the ribbon carriage dials are correct. These carriage dial settings are in the Labacus software printer dialog box. With the ribbon carriage open, gently turn the dials to the appropriate settings. Then close the ribbon carriage and you're ready to print. This video shows a 110mm wide ribbon. This ribbon width can be used on our full range of thermal labels. But to save you cost and reduce waste, we also offer narrower ribbon widths. Depending on the width of the Endurance high-performance tape you're using, you could choose ribbons that are 25mm, 60mm, or 110mm wide. Your printer dialog box will provide suggestions on which ribbon widths you can use for the label you're printing. Have a look at the Fox in a Box printer setup video or the dedicated ribbon setup video to see how to load the 3 ribbon widths. Remember that when you leave the printer overnight or for long periods and tape, labels or rolls are loaded in it, you should keep the ribbon carriage open. When moving the printer, ensure that the spindles together with the ribbon are removed from the ribbon carriage. You can store these in the well behind the ribbon carriage. Then, of course, close the ribbon carriage. Fox in a Box can print all Silver Fox's thermal labels for a wide range of applications using one software, one printer, and one ribbon.
At the end of each print run, your labels will automatically feed out of the printer. The next time you print, the blank labels automatically roll back into the printer. The advanced and professional versions of the software include this unique rollback functionality, saving you money on labels and helping to reduce waste in the environment.
The software that drives the Fox in a Box is called Labacus Innovator. With this, you can print all our laser labels on a laser printer. Other popular options include printing our Legend non-shrink tubing via the Fox in a Box printer, then using a mounting bar to produce tie-on cable labels. Or you can use a laser printer to print our Prolab polyester A4 self-adhesive sheets to label equipment and cabinets. If you need any further help or information, please contact the Silver Fox support team. We now offer support via WhatsApp, where you can send photos, screen dumps, and even videos. We also offer Team Viewer, so we can show you on your PC how to work best with your software. Thank you for choosing Silver Fox.